None of this is what caught Allie's eye. Instead, she focused on the broad and clear expanse at the far side of the bridge, allowing them to look out at the dock and space beyond. Tell me that's a screen. Yes and no. That's not reassuring. It is a screen. You can have it display virtually anything the computer can generate, whether that's a view of the surroundings, tactical information, sensor readings, whatever. But the screen is embedded in a slab of optical aluminum, 18 centimeters thick. It's a window? Yes. On a starship? Yes. You put a window on a starship? Yes. You seem a little stuck on this. You put a goddess-loving window on a starship. We put lots of windows on this starship.